Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about the maximum sub-array questions of the Leetcode. So let's get started. Talking about the brute force, it will in this question what's required is that I need to find the maximum sum amongst all the sub-arrays that we have with us. For the brute force, what we can do is just iterate over all the sub arrays and then find the maximum sum. Okay, find the sum of each sub array and then we can find the maximum sum amongst those. Okay, but that brute force approach will give me O to n square time complexity, which is not a good one, and you might get TLE as well if the constraints are towards 10 raised to power 9. So we'll look about the more optimal solution. So let's get started. So I'm going to take two variables here. One will be max sum, which I'll be returning as my answer, and the other one will be int sum. Okay, so here in max sum, what I'll be initializing it with is integer dot min underscore value. Sorry, all will be in caps. And int sum, I can initialize this as 0. So why I am initializing my max sum as minimum value here is because I have negative numbers over here as well. So in order for that, I need to put it as integer minimum value, because the sum of, if let's say all of my numbers in this particular array are negative numbers only, then I can't initialize my max sum as 0. So we'll understand as more going ahead. Okay, so I just need to run the loop here over the array. Okay, now I'm going to initialize my sum. Okay, how will I do that? Initializing my sum as sorry, I'm not initializing it, I'm just putting a functionality for it. So sum is equals to sum plus nums of I. So whatever value will be there on my array will be getting added to my sum. Okay, then if sum is less than max of sum, then update my max of sum to sum. Alright, and if sum is less than 0, then I'll be initializing my sum is equals to 0. So let's understand this, what's happening over here, and I'll be returning my max sum. Okay, so in this case what I have done is I have put down the value of sum is equals to nums of I. So let's say in my first case my value for sum will be -2. Okay, let's come over here and we'll try to look at this sum and max sum. Okay, so initially my value for sum will be -2, and my code says that if sum is less than max of sum, then initialize my then update my max of sum. Okay, so here my sum is now equal to 0, and when 1 is coming, my sum will be now becoming 1. It will now check if max sum is smaller than sum, then update this, so it will now become 1. Coming to -3, -3 will bring my sum to -2. Okay, and my max sum is greater than sum, so it will remain like that only. We are not going to update my max sum, but again, since this is -2 is less than 0, I will update this to 0. Coming on to 4, so now my max sum will become 4. Sorry, sum will become 4 and max sum will also become 4. Going ahead, minus 1. So my sum will become minus 3. See, and maximum will remain like that only. Coming over to 2. So for 2 my sum will become 5. So let's update it, 5. And my maximum will become 5 again. Coming over to 1, my maximum will become 6, and my sum will become 6, and my maximum will also become 6. Minus 5, so it will become 1. Now my maximum won't update because maximum is greater than sum. So let it be like that only. Moving ahead to 4, this will become 5, and maximum won't update again, so my answer is 6. So this was a dry run for this approach. Let me run this once and we'll see if this is working fine. Okay, it's saying wrong answer. Output is this, let me check. So 5 maximum is equals to sum. Expected is 6 and sum is sorry. Yeah, so this is accepted. Let's see if I'm able to submit it. Okay, so this is done. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Also please drop in a comment if you want me to make a video on some other topics. Please drop in the comments.